Gold on the weekly, it's continued going down. However, it's reaching this 1725 level where there's a lot of bullish pressure. So we may see a bounce from this price to the upside. But currently, let's see. The daily, this is the previous day's close. As you can see, it was a very weak bullish candlestick, which shows there's still a lot of bearish pressure. So on the 4-hour chart, the previous real levels of structure were over here. So we draw the fibs. You see the market still bounce back to the previous, the 1760 supply and demand level, which, as you can see, has a lot of buying pressure, which turn this does a lot of buying pressure, which in turn will convert to selling pressure since the level has been broken. Yeah, so I'm waiting for a retracement to this area, in this area, but really it's anywhere from here. It's to this low, this candlestick's weak to this weekly supply and demand level. So we can see the market have a bullish run on the lower time frames. In the hour time frame, the levels of structure are different, but that's what we call trend within a trend. So we can see the run here started from here, but I'll wait for price to go back to 1760. Hopefully it will retrace to that price, so we can have a very high probability entry at that point. You can see in the 15-minute time frame, the levels of structure are different. They start here lower than it came and formed a three-leg extension. Here, let's use the path. Came down from here, formed a three-leg extension, signifying the beginning of a bullish trend on the lower time frames. So yeah, this is the levels of structure. And then if you can see, if I'm to buy, I'd have to wait for the market to get to the bottom of the consolidation so I can buy to the supply and demand level up here. Yeah, but otherwise the main setup is still the sell from the 1760 level. That's gold. On silver, the weekly, it's still very bearish. On the daily, on the fall, the market retraced to this point, and then the retest. It's my analysis as of now. My analysis tells me that the market is still will still go bearish. You just have to wait and see if there will be another entry, or if the market can break this, can go above this high and then go lower. But yeah, we'll have to wait for the market to tell us that. Yesterday I took a trade at this point. I took a trade at this point. However, I was stopped out. This is a liquidity grab before the market went to my direction. And then after that, since that's where it was retraced from, after that I was waiting for a second chance to enter. However, the candlestick formed at midnight, not midnight, at 4 a.m., which is not my trading time. It came and tested this zone, this 38 level, and dropped some more. And yeah, now I have to wait for another entry, or just wait to see what the market will do.